Appetite regulators, it's a big subject. So let's talk about some things you might have heard of and others you might not have heard of. So let's talk about one that maybe you haven't heard of, and that is neuropeptide Y. So it's a NPY. So neuropeptide Y is a hormone, and it's produced in the brain and the nervous system. So neuropeptide Y is another appetite stimulator. And it is especially good at increasing our fondness for carbohydrates and sweet things. So we don't want too much of this stuff. So when is highest? Neuropeptide Y is highest during times of restricted dieting, fasting, extended fasts, and definitely in times of stress. So these type of situations can trigger comfort eating and overeating, especially the overconsumption of carbohydrates, and neuropeptide Y is one of the reasons that happens. A few things that we know about neuropeptide Y that causes the increase of neuropeptide Y, and that is a lack of protein. See my last video. That increases the release of neuropeptide Y. Stress stimulates the release of production of neuropeptide Y, and long fast over 24 hours can significantly increase neuropeptide Y. Now, I'd say something about that is if you're accustomed to fasting, that might not happen, but if you are brand new to fasting and you jump in with a 36-hour fast, you definitely might feel the effects of neuropeptide Y. So neuropeptide Y, it is another hormone that is an appetite. In this case, it's an appetite stimulant that but especially increases our fondness for sweet things. And I guess the take-home message from this is lack of protein can cause it, and restrictive dieting.